Why do thousands of healthcare professionals trust TenKo Medical with their equipment needs? Because excellence is in our DNA. Since 1993, TenKo Medical has been at the forefront of medical equipment distribution and manufacturing. Founded by Dr. Alberto Mora, we've partnered with industry giants like Philips and Hitachi, spreading our wings from the Dominican Republic to Latin America and Europe. In 2007, we took quality a notch higher by manufacturing our own PPE. The result? High-quality, affordable supplies that save lives. We're FDA registered, a leading supplier on medicalexpo.com, and a .med Top 100 distributor. But it's not just about scale. We're a family-owned business dedicated to personalized service. Whether you're a hospital needing bespoke solutions or a healthcare company looking to expand, our 30 years of expertise ensure you're in expert hands. Join the TenKo Medical family and let's make world-class healthcare a reality. Visit tenkomedical.com today.